Good morning. Had a chilly night. This morning is the coldest night I've had out of the 3 so far. I think it's just going to get colder, especially as I go higher. But I'm all packed up and looking at the map, I haven't made it very far. So today I'm going to try and do some proper driving and see if we can cover a little bit of distance. Pretty much all packed up, and then we'll hit the road. Two degrees. Doesn't feel like 2 degrees. Feels a bit warmer than that, but that is cold. I've discovered too, really loud on the old speaker, so I'll see if I can talk quieter. Sure to warm up real quick in the sun. I'm wearing my sweater, get warm real quick, and I'll have to stop and take that off pretty quick. But we have 35K on road pretty much like this to get to the gas stop. One little bump. I hit one little bump and the bag comes flying off. This time it was the other side. Try this again. Hopefully everything can stay on today. Stopping did give me the opportunity to take the sweater off, even though it's chilly. This jacket's actually not too bad, keeping me warm. And I know I'm going to get warm soon enough, so might as well take it off sooner than later. I forgot to mention, last night I hear all this crashing, and I'm like, uh-oh, here comes the bear, but then I hear these hooves and this snorting. So, must have been a big moose come crashing by my tent. I'm pretty sure it wasn't a horse, and I don't think deer snort and sound like that. Luckily it didn't come through the tent, just by the tent. We've warmed up to a toasty 8 degrees. Sufficiently mucked about for a couple hours, breakfast, gas. Now it's 19 degrees. And also, hopefully this sound is okay, because I discovered 2 days of filming where I had the microphone placement was too loud, and also when I was driving too windy. So we'll see if that's still the case. I've removed it and put it somewhere different. So that's the road I'm about to hit. Quite twisty and steep going up. Me is a famous Coeur D'alene cliff jump. 35 feet from the top of pure death. Let's see if I can manage to survive.
No guarantees though.
And away I go. Against all odds, I survived the cliff jump at Coeur D'alene. It's 4 o'clock, so we're not too far from the next gas stop, but this is taking me down again into the back road, so we'll just see where we end up. Thanks to Dave who helped me film. Civilization is a pub, a theater, a live theater, reviews. Found a nice little spot to set up the tent right by the river. That's the main road just up there, and it turns out that's also the route I need to take tomorrow, so I'm in good shape. I'm just cooking myself up some dinner. I don't have a table or anything, so I'm sitting on the boxes, and then I'll hit the tent, watch some TV, and then that'll be it. And we'll continue on down the dirt roads tomorrow. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe.